We've covered numerous organizations dedicated to finding a cure for breast cancer. But what about preventing it? Is there a way to prevent it? Well, joining us to discuss is Dr. Barbara Malkus from the Massachusetts Breast Cancer Coalition. Cannot thank you enough for starting your day with us here. You being a breast cancer survivor yourself, you've made it a mission to get to the source, find the root causes of breast cancer.
So Massachusetts Breast Cancer Coalition is celebrating its 25th anniversary of their Against the Tide event coming this June, and then we have another event in August. Their mission is preventing environmental causes of breast cancer, and they use a three-prong approach: community education, our Let's Talk prevention curriculum and program, curriculum that has been developed from the adult program, which is currently being used in high schools, free, by the way. Educators love to know that there's a supplemental curriculum that is for free.
And focusing on the factors in the environment, because as we were talking yesterday, it's not just about family history and whatnot. It does extend to that. So
I have no family history, no genetic factors associated with the breast cancer that I ended up being diagnosed with.
So briefly, what kind of factors in the environment are we looking at?
Well, we could be looking at chemical factors, estrogen mimickers that with breast cancer tissue that responds to estrogen. Added estrogen coming in from these estrogen mimickers can, in fact, stimulate those cells to produce cancerous tumors. We also know that from research being done on electromagnetic radiation, cell phones, girls who would put their cell phones in when they're running, we're finding that there's a increased incidence of breast cancer, particularly in the areas of where they would normally locate that.
And as you mentioned,
electromagnetic radiation.
Sure, and as you mentioned, you have programs breaking all of this down, and to support that, several events here coming up. Two in particular. Take us through those.
So on June 16th at Hopkinton State Forest, and on August 18th in Brewster, we have our Against the Tide events. The Against the Tide events are for everybody. The person who is that competitive athlete, as well as the person who might want to just come out and take a walk with us. So there's lots of events. I would encourage people to go to mbcc.org to take a look at the competitive swim, the recreational swim. We have USATF certified 5K and 10K events, as well as a 3-mile walk. So there's a little something for everybody. And if none of those interest you, including we now this year are going to have stand-up paddleboard and kayak.
Look out.
You can participate as a volunteer, but we're going to ask that you let us know that you're willing to be a volunteer at these events to help us set up and break down. It's a wonderful day.
Sounds like it.
I think anybody who attends walks away feeling that they're part of a community that cares, maybe not only for a survivor or someone currently in treatment for breast cancer, but also for our environment and the impact that that has on our lives.
And a wide range of options, all for a good cause there. We cannot thank you enough for coming in this Saturday.
It was my pleasure. Thank you.
Absolutely. For more information, go to cbsboston.com.